Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to
Welcome
Carla's
back
Kitchen
to my
CC,
channel, guys.
YouTube channel.
How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. So over here I have 3 bags of greens. Yes, callaloo. Yes guys, so today I'm going to show you how to properly peel and clean your callaloo. Yes, I love callaloo, and callaloo is very good for your body, okay? Lots of iron, and of course it's good for your skin. It's good for your skin. How lovely this bunch of callaloo is looking. Look at this green. Oh my god. Who else loves callaloo? If you love callaloo or any type of green, spinach, collard greens, hot chow, put it in the comment section. Tell me that you love it. Okay? This is
subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC.
So I'm going to show you how to peel it, how to wash it, and how to cut it. Alright? Okay. So this is callaloo. Alright, so what I'm going to do first, I am going to remove the strip, the thin strip that is on the outer part of the callaloo. Alright, so I'm going to cut at the top up here like this. And then I am going to come straight down. I'm removing the strip. Right? This is the outer layer of the callaloo. These are the parts on the callaloo. You might need a smaller knife to take off the strip because you're going to lift up the little leaves like this. Alright? And you get underneath it. Alright, and you're removing the thin layer of the callaloo. And to take off all of that. When you reach the bottom of the callaloo, after stripping down the callaloo, and you reach the bottom, where you see the little flower right here, you have to take this out. You have to take out this. Alright, so you cut it out like this. Okay? You go away with that. You don't cook that part. Alright? And you continue stripping the callaloo. Then you check the leaves, because sometimes the leaves are bad. So you check the leaves, and if you see a leaf on the callaloo that, you know, it looks dark, or even like this one, a lot of holes in it, you just get rid of that. Alright? Like that. Okay, so you check the leaves for dark spots, or little like holes, like wormholes. Yes. In other words, insect might bite the callaloo, so you don't want to eat that part of the callaloo. You want to get rid of it. Alright? You continue stripping until when you get off all of the lining from outside of the callaloo, that thin layer. Here we have a callaloo, and this one is stripped. So after I finish stripping the callaloo, I normally cut it this way. Alright, like this. So I'm going to put this in the tray here, and I'm going to continue with the stripping of the callaloo. These are so big. Alright, same process. You repeat the same steps. Alright. Use a small knife to get under here. Right? Put it back. And you want to make sure that you clean your callaloo properly, because anything that is going inside your stomach, you have to make sure it is well prepared. Alright? Because you cannot see inside your own stomach, you can see outside. So make sure when you're consuming anything, it is prepared the right way. Okay. See, like this bad leaf, this one here, no good. So get rid of it. Alright. And it's not hard to strip. It's very easy. Here's the callaloo. I finished stripping one bag, so I'm going to show you now how I cut my callaloo. Alright, so I'm going to put some together, probably like around 4 stars or 5 together like this. Alright, so let me move this out of my way, and this is what I got from it. This is, you know, this is garbage. Alright, about 5 stars together. So after I put it together, I hold it firmly like this, and then I start to cut. And be careful not to cut your finger. Dumplings, boiled banana, roast breadfruit, sweet potato, even rice, because callaloo tastes very good with white rice. Yes, callaloo and fried chicken is very good as well. Whatever you like your greens with, you can have it. Alright, so this is the callaloo, one batch. I still have 2 more batch to go, but this is for another time. Alright, so I have some callaloo recipes coming out for you guys very soon. Thank you so much for your support. Yes. If you like this video, it's very short, but if you like this video, please thumbs up the video and subscribe if you're new to the channel, touching that post notification bell. It will alert you when I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys so much. To my new supporters, thank you guys so much for joining Carla's Kitchen. I welcome you with a warm welcome. Big up yourselves, be good, walk good, and I will see you again in what? Another video. Bye guys. Hallelujah.